Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you facing or frustrating the error message on Facebook that say an error occurred while creating the page? Please ensure you are following the page policy. Don't worry, you are not alone. I know how stressful it feels when you are excited to create your page, but this error stopping you. Please take the screenshot and save it your own folder. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to report this issue directly to the Meta Facebook team so they can help you fix it. Go to your profile, go on Help and Support. You can choose any of these two. Search for Choose Area, Page, add the screenshot or either video. Details, what issue you have on. Details on the YouTube below. You can copy for your Meta. After then, you can submit the report. Once you submitted the report, the Meta Facebook team usually responds within 24 hours. They will either solve your problem directly or contact you for more details. So please don't lose hope. Help is on the way. In this tutorial, help you, please like this video, comment below and subscribe more. For more Facebook and social media solution, your support means a lot, and together we can solve this problem step by step. Thank you for watching this video.